Find index of last occurrence of a substring in a string. I want to find the position, or index, of the last occurrence of a certain substring in given input string str. For example, suppose the input string is str equals hello and the substring is target equals L, then it should output 3. How can I do this?
Use .find. Also, don't use str as variable name or you'll shadow the built-in str.
You can use refind or Rindex. Python 2 links, find Rindex. The difference is when the substring is not found. Refind returns -1 while Rindex raises an exception value error, Python 2 link, value error. If you do not want to check the refind return code -1, you may prefer Rindex that will provide an understandable error message. Else you may search for minutes where the unexpected value -1 is coming from within your code. Example, search of last new line character.
Use the str.Rindex method.
Not trying to resurrect an inactive post, but since this hasn't been posted yet. This is how I did it before finding this question. Explanation: when you're searching for the last occurrence, really you're searching for the first occurrence in the reverse string. Knowing this, I did s column -1, which returns a reverse string, and then indexed the target from there. Then I did lens 1, the index found because we want the index in the unreversed, i.e. original, string. Watch out, though. If target is more than one character, you probably won't find it in the reverse string. To fix this, use last_pos equals lens 1 s column -1 dot index target column -1, which searches for a reversed version of target.
If you want to see more, ask me